Well guys, you see these pieces right here? Those pieces are gonna go right here and right here. This teal piece right here is gonna go right there. And then I have, it's in the garage, but I have a piece that's going here and a piece that goes here. And then this piece right here, see it's bent. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's bent. It's also teal, of course. And it's going along the back here. Now, I wanted to show you guys the seats. Leather seats. Check that out. So the seats are done. They're ready to go on. Tomorrow's video is gonna be bolting on all that mesh, running the throttle cable, relocating the fuel tank. As you can see, I took the fuel tank and the exhaust off of the engine. I still have to bolt the engine down, but that's last. But the fuel tank, it's gonna come right back here. So, but all right guys, that's all I got done today. I didn't want to show you guys too much of painting and whatnot because it might bore you or something, I don't know. But I know some of you didn't really get to see the golf cart, so let me show you that. Now there is the front cowl or hood or whatever you want to call it. That goes on the front. But that part will be last. We got some wiring to do. I'm hoping to have this done by Wednesday, Thursday at the latest, but we'll make it happen. We'll make do with it and we'll get her done. Thank you guys for following this build. It's actually gotten more views than what I thought, but you know what? I'm just going to keep on trucking along, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribing. And I want to do another build just like this, but not lifted. I want to slam one to the ground. And I want to get a title for that one because I don't have a title for this one. This one got drug out of the woods, literally. It was sitting on a friend's property for a very long time. Somewhere along the way, the title got lost. Who cares? I chucked the VIN a long time ago because I knew I couldn't do anything with it anyway. Not a big deal. Just a campground rig, but hey. All right, guys. Peace out and God bless. Thank you.